Aloha and welcome to Cooking with Dino Mama. Today I'm making poached salmon in honey and dill sauce. Some of the dinosaurs in my home are not fans of fish, but when cooked right, even T-Rexes will eat this protein. This episode is not sponsored by anyone, and anything I use or that you see is what is available in my home or local grocery. The first thing you'll want to do is prep your fish and chop up your onion so it's ready to go. Next, turn on your stovetop to medium-high and heat up a saucepan wide enough for all 4 salmon fillets and add the 3 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter starts to foam, add the onions and cook until nice and translucent, stirring frequently for about 5 minutes. Here's some interesting news. A new dinosaur was recently discovered in Spain, and Spanish researchers named the species in honor of the football team Villarreal CF, named Protethlitis cinctorensis. The first half translates as champion in Greek, in recognition of the club's Europa League win in 2021, while the second half honors the town of Cinctorres, close to where the Spinosaur was found. Once your onions are nice and translucent, add the 2 tablespoons of flour and stir until well blended. Pour in the 1 cup of dry white wine and 1 tablespoon of honey, a little extra will be fine, and cook, stirring constantly until the flour butter mixture is well blended. Then add 1 tablespoon of fresh or dried chopped dill. Reality is, you can't buy 1 tablespoon of fresh dill. And if you're going to be left with a ton of leftovers and nothing to do with it, then it's better to just use the dried stuff. Sprinkle the salmon fillets with some salt and pepper and lay them in the pan, skin side down. Bring the sauce to a simmer and cover the pan, but let it continue simmering until the salmon flakes apart when pierced with a fork, about 20 minutes. Occasionally scrape the bottom of the pan to prevent the fish from sticking. This will also help with cleanup later. Taste the sauce and add more seasoning if necessary. Alternatively, for an even cook, you can just cook 1 large fillet and then cut it up as necessary once you're done. Thank you for joining me today in Dino Mama's Kitchen, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy, and remember, only nice people get sweets.